Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook asparagus on the stove. First, let's prepare our asparagus. Begin by washing the spears under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Then, snap off the tough, woody ends. They will naturally break where the tender part begins. For very thick spears, you might also peel the bottom 2 inches for a more consistent texture. This simple preparation ensures your asparagus cooks beautifully. Sautéing is a quick and delicious method. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add your trimmed asparagus in a single layer. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the spears are bright green and tender crisp. This method brings out a lovely caramelized flavor, perfect for a speedy side dish. For a lighter option, steaming is fantastic. Place a steamer basket in a pot with about 1 inch of water, making sure the water doesn't touch the basket. Bring the water to a boil, then carefully add your asparagus. Cover the pot and steam for 2 to 4 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they're vibrant, green, and tender, but still have a slight bite. Now for the best part, flavoring and serving. Immediately after cooking, season your asparagus with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For extra flair, consider a drizzle of balsamic glaze or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your perfectly cooked asparagus as a delightful side dish or a healthy, flavorful snack. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.